Hi everyone, welcome back to to be your knowledge, and today we're going to be studying the case control story design. But before we continue, I would like to share with you Romans 8:6, and says that for to set the mind on the flesh is death, but to set the mind on the spirit is life and peace. Okay. Yes, so it is important to set the mind in the spirit that we can have life and peace. Amen. Okay, so now with that in mind, we can move on. So the first that we're going to see the target population. So what we are doing case control story design, it is as follows. So you need to have the target population. Let's just continue with blue. Target. Okay, so and then you have your target population. So you need to let's just see, we're going to do just like this here, and we're going to see the subject selection on this side. So the subject, okay, selection. So this is based on, so based on what? Based on the disease status. Okay, so based on disease status. Okay, so this is the one that we're going to do here, and then after that, okay, so let's see how we can figure out that this looks better. Okay, yeah, there we go. Then the other side, so this is one side. Okay, this is one side here. Let's just do it. It's gray. Okay, so this is one side. One side, got it. And then this is the other side. So, and then in this side, there we go. Then you have to do something like this. Okay, so you have two sides there. One side has the subject selection based on the disease state, and there is going to be the exposure assessment. Okay, and now what's going on here? So now we're going to do here, we enter there, we enter here, and then we're going to enter, for example, the children. I'm going to do blue. So we're going to have, for example, children with disease. Okay, with disease, which are the cases. And then we have on the other side the children with no disease. So we still have children. This is the population, but this one, it is without disease, which is the controls. Okay, now this one, both of those is going to cross to the exposure assessment. Okay, so they go here and they expose to something. Okay, so and then this one, and then this one. So, and what's happened here? So we are questioning what's going on with the exposure for this case control study design. For example, if they exposed to that they expose with anything excuse me, so expose with anything, or if they don't expose. Okay, now this is the children that had the disease. We're going to check the exposure assessment. Those that exposed to something I mean the exposed to something, okay, and those that didn't expose absolutely, okay, to nothing. Okay, so now let me just do to better expose and unexposed. That's it. This is that we're questioning. Okay, entonces, so then in those children that doesn't have the disease, we do the same. We do go to those that exposed to something, okay, and then we go to those that didn't expose. Got it? So let's just again, so exposed versus unexposed should be the exposed to certain something. So should we always the same aggressors which they expose for those that have the disease and for those that doesn't have the disease. So basically this is how the case control story is designed, okay. And then remember that the case control story is very appropriate story to design for evaluating the public health official's claim, okay. So, and I think that with that, so we are done, and hopefully that was clear. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you, and God bless.